Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today our topic is about personal pronouns plus verbs plus noun or adverbs. Topik kita hari ini adalah tentang kata ganti orang, ditambah kata kerja, ditambah kata benda atau kata keterangan. Okay everyone, let's take a look. We are going to memorize some vocabulary and make them into the phrases about. Jadi hari ini kita akan menghafal beberapa kosakata dan membuatnya ke dalam satu kalimat. About personal pronouns plus verb plus noun or adverb, yaitu kata ganti orang ditambah verb atau kata kerja atau kegiatan sehari-hari ditambah kata benda atau kata keterangan. Drink, minum. I drink water, saya minum air. Eat, makan. You eat rice, kamu makan nasi. Walk, berjalan. He walked to school, ia berjalan ke sekolah. Run, berlari. You run fast, kamu berlari cepat. Jump, melompat. We jump high, kami melompat tinggi. Study, belajar. They study hard, mereka belajar keras. Learn, belajar. I learn every day, saya belajar setiap hari. Write, menulis. He writes a letter, ia menulis sebuah surat. See, melihat. I see globe, saya melihat peta dunia. Look, melihat. She looks something, ia melihat sesuatu. Watch, menonton atau menyaksikan. I watch TV, saya menonton TV. Ask, bertanya. I ask to a student, saya bertanya kepada seorang siswa. Answer, menjawab. He answers a question, ia menjawab sebuah pertanyaan. Play, bermain. She plays in the garden, ia bermain di taman. Read, membaca. We read some books, kami membaca beberapa buku. Listen, mendengar. They listen to the radio, mereka mendengar radio. Think, berpikir. I think for a while, saya berpikir sejenak. Memorize, you memorize some words, kamu menghafal beberapa kata. Smile, tersenyum. She smiles to everyone, ia tersenyum kepada semua orang. Angry, marah. We angry to someone, We angry to someone. Kami marah kepada seseorang. Cry, cry, menangis. They cry loudly. They cry loudly. Mereka menangis keras. Happy, happy, bahagia. I happy to hear it. I happy to hear it. Saya bahagia mendengarnya. Open, open, membuka. He opens the door. He opens the door. Ia membuka pintu. Close, close, menutup. She closed the window. She closes the window. Ia menutup pintu. Jendela. Take, take, membawa atau mengambil. We take a book. We take a book. Saya mengambil sebuah buku. Bring, bring, membawa atau mengambil. They bring a letter. They bring a letter. Mereka membawa sebuah surat. Fly, fly, terbang. I fly with plane. I fly with plane. Saya terbang dengan pesawat. Go, go, pergi. He goes to school. He goes to school. Dia pergi ke sekolah. Move, move, pindah atau bergerak. We move to other class. We move to other class. Kami pindah ke kelas lain. Sleep, sleep, tidur. They sleep earlier. They sleep earlier. Mereka tidur lebih awal. Wake up, bangun. I wake up at night. I wake up at night. Saya bangun di malam hari. Get up, bangun. He gets up in the morning. He gets up in the morning. Ia bangun di pagi hari. Glad, gembira. She is very glad. She is very glad. Ia sangat gembira. Confused, bingung. We confused to do it. We confused to do it. Kami bingung mengerjakannya. Do, mengerjakan atau melakukan. They do their work. They do their work. Mereka mengerjakan pekerjaan mereka. Call, menelpon. I call my friend. Saya menelpon teman saya. Speak, bercakap atau berbicara. He speaks loud. Ia berbicara keras. Speech, berpidato. She speech at the meeting. Ia berpidato dalam sebuah rapat. Swim, berenang. She swims at swimming pool. Ia berenang di kolam renang. Climb, memanjat. They climb a tree. Mereka memanjat sebuah pohon. Cook, memasak. She cooks rice. Ia memasak nasi. Count, menghitung. We count some money. Kami menghitung uang. Sweep, menyapu. They sweep the floor. Mereka menyapu lantai. Push, mendorong. I push the door. I push the car. I push the door. Saya mendorong pintu. Pull, menarik. He pulled the table. Ia menarik meja. Raise hand. Raise hand, mengangkat tangan. We raise hand, we raise hand, kami mengangkat tangan. Watch, watch, menonton. She watch TV, she watch TV, dia menonton TV. Lift, lift, mengangkat. They lift suitcase, they lift suitcase, mereka mengangkat koper. Watering, watering, menyiram. I watering the flower, I watering the flower, saya menyiram bunga. Wash, wash, mencuci. We wash the plate, we wash the plate, kami mencuci piring. Delete, menghapus. She delete the written, she delete the written, dia menghapus tulisan. Draw, menggambar. They draw the map, they draw the map, mereka gambar peta. Dance, menari. I like dance, saya suka menari. Laugh, tertawa. He laughs of funny, dia ketawa karena lucu. Understand, mengerti. You understand the lesson, kamu mengerti pelajaran. Sit down, duduk. We sit on the floor, kami duduk di lantai. Stand up, berdiri. They stand up in front of the classroom, mereka berdiri di depan kelas. Go home, pulang. I go home at 2 o'clock, saya pulang pada jam 2. Take a pray, sembahyang. We take a pray 5 times a day, kami sembahyang 5 kali sehari. Take a rest, beristirahat. You take a rest for a while, kamu beristirahat sejenak. Take a bath, mandi. I take a bath in bathroom, saya mandi di kamar mandi. Breath, bernapas. We take a deep breath, kami mengambil napas dalam. Hands up, angkat tangan. I hands up to answer, saya mengangkat tangan untuk menjawab. Ironing, menyetrika. You ironing pants, kamu menyetrika celana. Clean, membersihkan. He clean the cupboard, ia membersihkan lemari. Wipe, melap. They wipe the table, mereka melap meja. Put, menaruh, meletakkan atau membuang. You put the picture on the table, kamu menaruh gambar di meja. Okay everyone, I think this is the end of our lesson today. Okay, thank you very much for pay attention and kind cooperation. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you very much. See you again next time. See you. Bye.